Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's grammar topic is pronoun. There will be multiple choice question and each question carries 1 mark. So let's start solving the question together. The first question is, which word is a pronoun? Here are your options: apple, he, red, chair. These are the 4 options. Now can you identify which word is a pronoun out of these 4 options? It is option B, he. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Okay, next question. Rita is a girl, dash is kind. Now which word should come in this blank? Should I put he, or should I put it, or should I put she, or should I put you? Look at the option very carefully and let me know which word should I put in this blank. If you're saying option C, she, you all are absolutely right. Well done. Rita is a girl, she is kind. Okay, let's move on to the next question and see what it is. Okay, here comes our third question. A dog is barking, dash is loud. Now which word should I fill in this blank? Options are he, it, I, you. So which word should I fill in this blank? Look at the option very carefully and I'm sure all of you will get it right. All of you are so intelligent. I'm sure everybody is going to get this answer right. It is option, once again, it is option B. The dog is barking, it is loud. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. My name is Tina, dash am 6 years old. Now which word should I fill in this blank? Option are she, you, I, they. These are the 4 options. Now which word should come in this blank? It is option C. My name is Tina, I am 6 years old. Okay, next one. Tom and I are brothers, dash play together. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are we, he, you, it. Now go through your option carefully, go through your sentence and let me know quickly which word should I fill in this blank. It is option A. Tom and I are brothers. We play together. Okay, if you got it right, give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, which is a pronoun for more than 1 person? Okay, which pronoun do we use for more than 1 person? Not for 1 person, 2 person. If there are more than 1 person, which pronoun should we use? Option are he, she, they, it. So think carefully. If there are more than 1 person, which pronoun we use? Yes, you got it right. It is option C, they. We use they. Okay. Next question. Where are you going? Dash. What is the pronoun in this sentence? Okay, where are you going? This is the sentence. Now you have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Here are your options: where, going, you, are. These are the 4 options. Now quickly identify which one is a pronoun. Can you identify the pronoun in this sentence? Which one is it? It is option C, you. Next question, question number 8. This is my cat, dash is white. Which word should I put over here? Options are he, she, it, you. Okay, these are the 4 options. Now tell me quickly which word should I put in this blank to complete my sentence. Should I put option A, or should I put option B, or C, or D? Which option do you think is correct? It is option C. This is my cat. It is white. Okay. Question number 9. Ray and Sam are friends. Dash go to school together. Which word should I put in this blank? Options are we, they, he, I. These are the 4 options. Now, which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence, or which one is the correct option? It is option B. Ray and Sam are friends. They go to school together. Okay? And now a little task for you. You tell me in the comment section below who's your best friend. I just want to know your best friend's name. Okay, the last question. I have a pencil. Dash is blue. Options to fill this blank are it, he, they, she. These are the 4 options. Which one should I put in this blank? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my videos useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay, coming back to the question, these are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option A. I have a pencil. It is blue. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.